Brisket smoked on the Old Country Petco. I like to keep these aluminum foil pans handy because you can see we're good. And about 20 minutes ago, guys, 30-40 minutes. It's not gonna hurt them at all. And remember, things have already hit an internal temp of 106. Well, remember at the beginning I said Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be smoking some St. Louis style spare ribs, and we're going to make some rib sandwiches with these ribs. I'm gonna cook them a little bit more tender than normal. I'm not looking for that bite, if you would. I'm looking for that fall off the bone texture because we're gonna be using them for a sandwich. So I'm going to get it out of this cryovac, and we're gonna use this Weber KC barbecue rub. I've used it before. I think I've put it on video. Very, very good rub. So let me get this thing going and be right back. Alright guys, so let's do this. So I have my Pit Boss pellet smoker set to 200 degrees. I've already cleaned off the grates. And let's put those ribs on the top rack. There you go. Always keep a clean hand. So I'm gonna let them go for, I want to say about an hour. I'll come back and check on them at 200 degrees, guys. So we'll be right back. 1 hour exactly at 200 degrees. And let me see if I can get you closer. Look at that. Nice smoke color. Gonna spritz it with some water, plain old water, and let's shut the lid. We'll check it in another hour. Two hours exactly into the cook, still at 200 degrees. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's an awesome color. Look at that. Oh, they're bending already. They're bending already, guys. So I'm gonna wrap them up in aluminum tin foil, and then I'm gonna put them back in the smoker. Get that done. Guys, one little tip: when you wrap them, put the bone side up, you know, meat side down. That way, as the juices release when you're cooking it, it's just gonna braise in its own liquid. It's gonna keep them nice and moist. So make sure you use a double layer tin foil. back in the smoker it goes for about another, we're gonna check on them in 45 minutes to an hour, and they should get pretty tender by then. We'll see. So 3 hours into the cook, exactly at 200 degrees. Let's check it out, guys. Ooh, smells really good. I know it's gonna be hot. Really good. Let's check it out. Let's use a skewer. They are tender, but I'm gonna let them go for at least another 30 to 40 minutes, and we want to get them. We're gonna see a little bit more pull back, and get them fall off the bone tender so we can make those sandwiches. So let me wrap them up again, guys. Check on them in a bit. All right, 3 hours and 45 minutes later into the cook at 200 degrees. Let's check it out. Trying to be careful not to poke through the aluminum foil. I don't want the juice to leak. Yeah, these bad boys are tender, man. Check it out. Let's see if I can poke it in from the side. Yeah, very tender. So at this point, I'm gonna sauce them up, and then just let the sauce set. We'll take them inside and make these sandwiches. Alright guys, so remember I said I wanted to get them fall off the bone tender, so here, check it out. I try to flip it and it just came off the bone. Look at that color, man. Absolutely beautiful. There you go. See this pullback right here? That's a sign of a lot of tenderness. So Alright, so I'm gonna let these the sauce set for about 15 to 20 minutes, guys. Won't take much longer than that. then we'll take them inside. All right, guys, 15 minutes later, let's check on them. Oh, look at that. Nice. If you're keeping tabs, 4 hours total cook at 200 degrees. Let me get these bad boys inside and let's see what we can do with them. Hey guys, before I go inside, I just want to show you why I love pellet grills, because I just finished shooting a video cooking these ribs at 200 degrees, and I've cranked it to 350 degrees, and I'm just gonna cook some chicken for the family. And this is just how versatile these things are. I'm not getting paid by Pit Boss at all. This is just something that I wanted to mention to you guys in case you're out there trying to figure out, are they worth it, yes or no? To me they are. But anyway, let's get back to the task at hand. Alright guys, let me see if I can carefully remove the bones without cutting my finger. It's right over here. Clean. Success. These bad boys just twist up, huh? Get a bun. Any bun will do, guys, whatever you guys want. Now you can add more barbecue sauce if you want to. To me, this is just perfect. And then you dress it with whatever you want. I'm just gonna add some white onion. Remember, this is whatever you want. And I put some pickles. And it smells really good, guys. And then top it off. And there you have it, guys. Smoked for 4 hours total. Nice, tender. Check it out. I wonder how it tastes. Super good, guys. You can definitely taste that smoke flavor. That spare rib is delicious. It's very moist, and again, you know, as you saw, it took really no time at all, other than the time that it took to smoke it. But prep time is very fast, very easy, and cook time, all you have to do is just check on it. Set a reminder, check it every hour. Guys, once again, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them down below and hit that like button. Thank you.